Eden, join my bus. Right. Where's your plane, is it? Eden, first time? Nice plane? Eden, I'm happy that you decided to buy a Lego because this flight was undecidedly delayed, which allowed you to build your beautiful Lego there, right?
Yeah.
And make use of your time, right?
Yeah. But
Well
they gave me that box now.
You always find extras. I want to ask people, does every Lego box give you extra Lego pieces? Because every time Eden builds a Lego, he finds a lot of extra pieces in there. Let me know in your comments. So Eden, what's the specialty about this Lego?
So this can jump.
Sure. What happened? I didn't see it. Show me first. Show me first. I want to see what it is. So it's a TNT. You know what's a TNT?
Yes.
TNT is like a bomb.
Yeah, and they
Oh, wow.
can do that.
I think this is part of the Minecraft, no?
Yeah, this is the Minecraft. And now I have two Minecraft. One is a puppet, and it's in my suitcase, and one is this.
You bought one in the suitcase?
Yeah. There's no Lego one.
Oh.
Because I never had a Lego one like this.
Oh, this is your first Lego Minecraft?
Yeah.
Nice.
And you know, and look, there's a frog, and this is a frog, and this is a slime.
Eden, is our flight ready to take off? Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited you are?
How do you do it?
I can't feel that you're excited.
What?
I can't feel that you're excited.
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
See, there's the British Airways flight.
British area.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go.
We're going.
Not going right. It's just going fast.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
No, it's not going.
3, 2,
1, take off.
1, and
It's still on the ground.
0.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Pleasure to welcome you all on board today.
We reached to Switzerland. You know, we're going to catch a train now. Yes. And then that train will take us 2 hours to reach, right?
One is still doing the cake.
It's a straight train, no stops. From Geneva to Freiburg. Go. Exit. Take a right. Yeah. Train, see ya. Wow, so big train, no? Go, open and sit. Press, press. Go. You know, go.
Wait, they had a seat.
And finally we are in the train then, right?
Yeah.
Where is this train going? Switzerland, you're already in Switzerland. So this train is now going from Geneva to Freiburg.
Yeah.
How many hours is it going to take?
2 hours.
2 hours, correct. Oh wow, you discovered a table. I also didn't know that they had a table.
I see a pancake.
Where?
It was in the moon.
It's all pancake in the moon.